Hi everybody, welcome back. Another technical tips. My name is Daniel O. I'm working for Red Hat as a technical marketing major. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about 5 reasons to use a Kubernetes cluster. Let's get started. Kubernetes is the de facto open source container orchestration tool since 2014 for many enterprise companies. It also provides application deployment, scaling, container management, and other capability, and it enables the enterprise company to optimize hardware resource utilization and also increase production uptime through fault tolerant functionality at speed. So this project was initially developed by Google, which donated to the project to the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, also known as CNCF. In 2018, it became the first CNC project to graduate. So these are all well and good, but it doesn't explain why development and operations should invest their valuable time and effort in Kubernetes. The reason Kubernetes is so useful is that it helps DevOps people quickly solve their problem they struggle with every single day. I'm going to talk a little bit more 5 ways Kubernetes capability helps dev and ops people and professional administrations that address their common, most popular problems. First key capability of Kubernetes is a vendor agnostic. Many public cloud providers not only serve managed Kubernetes services, but also lots of cloud products are built on top of those services for on-premise application container platform and orchestration. So being vendor agnostic enables operators to design, build, and manage the multi-cloud and even hybrid cloud platform easily and safely without risk of a vendor lock-in. So that's why Kubernetes also eliminated these ops teams worries about a complex multi and hybrid cloud strategies. The second key availability of Kubernetes is service discovery. In order to develop microservice application, the most Java developer must control their own service availability in terms of whether the application is ready to serve the function or even ensure the service continues running without any exception or errors in response to the client request. So Kubernetes service discovery feature means the developers don't have to manage these things on their own anymore. And also, you might be heard about Istio service mesh. This is a argument Kubernetes service discovery capability, and then you can control service discovery more smart router and intelligence routing feature based on Istio service mesh. But in the end, that is the service mesh also increase your Kubernetes service discovery capability. The third capability of Kubernetes is invocation. How do your DevOps initiate deploy polyglot and cloud-native application of thousands of virtual machines? Ideally, DevOps could trigger deployments for the bug fixes or function enhancements or new features and security patches. Kubernetes deployment feature automated daily work, but more importantly, this enables advanced deployment strategies such as blue-green and canary deployments. But many years ago, like decades ago, we have only 2 deployment strategy. First of all, you can rolling up deployment, or you can shutting every single your application and then deploy and restart every your application at once. But sometimes it takes a lot of time to restart, or maybe the 6 hour shutdown or the 1 day shutdown. It's totally impact your customer certification or service level. So canary and blue-green deployment strategy is not an option in a cloud-native platform. It's a mandatory functionality or capability to build your cloud-native platform. So autoscaling is a key capability needed to handle massive workloads in cloud environments. By building container platform, you can increase system reliability for end users. Kubernetes horizontal pod autoscaler, also known as HPA, allows a cluster to increase or even decrease the number of applications or pods to deal with the peak traffic or performance spikes, reducing concerns about unexpected system outage. In modern application architecture, failure handling code should be considered to control unexpected error and recover from them quickly. In a modern application architecture, failure handling codes should be considered to control unexpected error and recover from them quickly. But it takes a lot of time and effort for developer to simulate all the occasional errors. So Kubernetes replica set helps the developer solve this problem by ensuring specified number of pods are kept alive continuously. So just imagine that decades ago we have two uh, live application server along with the HA, the high availability architecture. But now you don't need to worry about cool down and a warm up or even HA capability and on manual when you serve your application for your business requirement. So Kubernetes automatically replication and with some hash check functionality of each application pod. Just in order to recap what we run today, Kubernetes enables enterprise company to solve common DevOps problem easily, quickly, and safely. But it also provides other benefits such as building a seamless multi and hybrid cloud strategy, saving infrastructure costs, and speeding time to the market and time to the service. Thank you for watching today. Please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel for the next coming technical tips, demo, and tutorial. Have a good rest of the day.